number 7. Now we need to draw this to show you the figure. So you have okay, so you have the x-axis and the y-axis. Now we got a circle that is actually moving like this, so it is hitting the center. So there is a hit here, and okay, so this is the rough diagram. You have the center there. Now from the center there is a hit somewhere here. The diagram is not to scale. So this point is C, this point is P, this point is B of 0, 2. This is O, and the equation is given as x negative 2 the whole squared positive y positive 4 the whole squared is equal to 20. Now what they want is to find there are two parts in this question. Part A, find the equation of BC. Part B is find P, the coordinate P. Okay, and this is the equation of the circle. So let me do this. Now the first part is given the equation of the circle, x negative 2 the whole squared positive y positive 4 the whole squared is equal to 20. This means center of circle is what? 2, negative 4. So this means C is 2, negative 4. Given, what is given? You see B is what? B of 0, 2. Given B of 0, 2. If I were to take this as x1, y1, x2, y2, the slope of BC is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is 2 minus of minus 4 divided by 0 minus 2, which is 2 positive 4 over minus 2, which is 6 over minus 2, which is negative 3. So slope is negative 3. Now we are asked to obtain the equation of BC. So the line is passing through 0, 2. The equation of BC is of the form y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Now since the line passes through what? B of 0, 2, we have, what do we have? We got x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to 2. I take this as 1, slope is negative 3. So therefore 1 can be rewritten as y minus 2 is equal to negative 3 of x minus 0. So this is y minus 2 is negative 3x. And this can be further rewritten because they're asking us to get the equation of the line. So this means y positive 3x negative 2 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation. Or from here you can write y is equal to negative 3x positive 2. Right, so you can state here, therefore the equation of BC is y is equal to negative 3x positive 2. You can block this. So this is what is required. Now we move on to the next part. Now for the next part, we are asked to find the coordinate of P. Now P is a point where the circle is intersecting the line. So let me state that. We observe that the circle intersects the line at P. We know the equation of the circle. So what is the equation of the circle? That is given x minus 2 the whole square plus y positive 4 the whole square is equal to 20, and the equation of the line BC. What is it? Y is equal to negative 3x positive 2. We have got that. Let me show you that. Y is equal to negative 3x positive 2. So if I take this as 2, put, and this is 3, put 3 in 2. Okay, we get, so what do we get? X negative 2 the whole square positive negative 3x positive 2, and this is positive 4 whole square is equal to 20. Simplifying this, so this is x minus 2 the whole square positive negative 3x and positive 6 the whole square is equal to. Now you expand and solve. This will give you x squared negative 4x positive 4. This would give you positive 9x squared negative 36x positive 36 is equal to 20. I can add these two, that would give me 10x squared. I can add this with this, that would give me negative 40x. I can add this with this, that is 40. I can move this, that's going to be negative 20. So this would become positive 20 is equal to 0. I can divide by 10. That would give me x squared negative 4 times x positive 2 is equal to 0. I can take a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 4, c is equal to 2. Utilize the quadratic formula, negative b plus or minus b squared negative 4ac divided by 2a. That is going to give me negative of negative 4 plus or minus negative 4 squared negative 4 times a times c times divided by 2 times a. This would give me 4 plus or minus 16 negative 8 divided by 2. This in turn, let me move here. This in turn would give me two values. X is equal to 4 plus 16 negative 8. That's going to be root of 8 divided by 2. And the next value x is equal to 4 negative root of 8 divided by 2. So this is 4 plus root of 4 times 2 divided by 2, and similarly 4 negative root of 4 times 2 divided by 2. So this would give me 4 plus 2 times the root of 2 divided by 2. I can take out the 2, giving me 2 plus root 2. This is one value. In this case, the other value would be x is equal to 2 minus root 2. So two values are got. Now we need to get the coordinate of P. So for that we need to perform the substitution. So let's do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put these in. Y is equal to negative 3x positive 2, which would give you y is equal to negative 3 of 2 positive root of 2 positive 2 for the first case. So that's going to be negative 6 negative 3 into root 2 positive 2. You can add these two, that's going to be negative 4 negative 3 into root 2. That is one value. So next value, y is equal to negative 3 of 2 minus root 2 positive 2. This is negative 6 positive 3 into root 2 positive 2. That's going to be negative 4 positive 3 into root 2. So that's a negative value. That's a next value. So therefore y coordinate is when x is equal to 2 positive root 2, my y is negative 4 negative 3 into root 2. Also p is when x is 2 negative root 2, my y is negative 4 positive 3 into root 2. So that would complete the solution for this question.